You know what? I guess podcasting, this is all fucking scuttlebutt, right?
No,
Top
stop.
names of the 1960s.
Because Prius.
Right, this is when I was born.
Actually, no, that's Honda Fit. Sorry. Didn't mean to get your hopes up. It's 4:57. What's the time on there? Yep, don't turn on red.
76% just 3 years prior. So we're seeing this trend in
Red light run.
surveys. And
Infinity.
amazing. And yeah.
Did not stop. Did not stop. It always happens here. You just kind of made that turn weird. I don't like that. You're going in the video. How come you get to go? It's still red. You don't go yet. That school bus didn't stop for that yield sign. Dude, you're going way too slow to be in the fast lane. Oh my God, your driving is so bad, it makes me want to listen to Nickelback. You can't turn there. You don't have a green arrow. What are you doing? Didn't stop. Wow, look at all the bubbles. Bubbles. We all love bubbles, right? Bubbles. Bubbles. Oh my God! You guys are driving upside down! How is this possible? You drive a BMW and you use the turn signal. What's wrong with you, man?
Hearing grief. You're gonna start...
Dude, guys, the light's red. Where are you guys going? It's red. Come on, guys. Oh my God, your driving is so bad, you're making me see purple. Holy crap, that invisible car just blew through that stop sign. Does this look like summertime to you? The song is lying to me. Oh well. Oh my God, I'm blind! I can't see anything! Oh my God! Holy crap, why is everyone driving on the wrong side of the road? Including me! What am I doing? Wait a minute. The red light run. The red light's red. You can't go. The light's red. You see, it's red. It's clear as day. It's red. Hey, don't stop. Stop. It's red. Oh, now it's green. Okay. Oh, here we go again. Driving upside down again. I don't know if you noticed it, but your car is on fire. You might want to get that looked at. Is it just me, or did things get a lot smaller? Like, I can't see shit. It's really small out there. According to certain people, listening to Starship while driving around in Utica is the equivalent of being in hell. Well, it's not that bad, actually. Kinda like it here. It's red. It's still red. Why are you guys going? It's red. If it's red for me, it's red for you too. It's red. Yep, gonna run the red light like no one cares. Yep. Yeah, run the red light. Now it's green. Okay. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. You cannot be here. And it's for real this time because that is obviously a big truck and it can't be in the left lane because there's the sign. Yep, totally reasonable. Well, this is the end of the episode. I hope you liked it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And in case you haven't figured it out by now, this whole video was a big joke, and the real video will be out tomorrow. Okay, bye!